How's it going, you guys? All American Truck and Auto Parts here, located in Fresno, California. We just got this thing in today. Got hit on the side, but it does have a lot of good parts on it. Go to our website, 559.com, 559parts.com, 559parts.com. Give us a call, 559-264-3673. Got a 6.0 liter, 6.0, and it does run. It's quiet, even though the damage on the vehicle. Got the cat eyes, you guys. Phone number again, 559-264-3673. 559-264-3673. Website, 559parts.com, 559parts.com, you guys. Let's check out the back. Again, website, 559parts.com, 559parts.com. Give us a call, 559-264-3673. Make sure you guys follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. Give us a subscribe on YouTube. You guys will be updated in that way of what we're getting in or what we have. Let your family and friends know what we got here. All right, you guys, take care.